Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day, and today I am going to show you how I transitioned from fall to Christmas decorations at home with a little haul. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. Action fun and back to lock 19 with Marta. I went on a little haul and I went to this store in Miami called Government Discount. It has been there for years. I mean, I'm talking about maybe 40 years, a little tiny store. I don't think it's a chain, and I've been going there since I was a little girl. I love it because the prices are very inexpensive. So let me show you some of the things that I bought. Okay, I bought these cute, adorable things, which are like little decorations that I can pop in anywhere, like in a flower vase thing, because it has a big long stick, so I can pop these anywhere. And these were like 99 cents each. I can't believe it. I think they're adorable. Now let me show you what else I have that I got. Oh, I got this big ball, well, not ball, this big box of different size balls. And this one this is a 23 pack of different size balls, and it only cost $10. So that was a nice price, right? Now let me show you what else I have. This is not Christmassy, but this is a great idea that I'm gonna share. Let me get a great idea, okay? Let me find it. I go to the gym, and when I go over there, you know, I take a shower, I use all my creams, all my scrubs, all my skin treatments, whatever, in the shower at the gym. And it's a lot better than using my shower because I keep my shower cleaner. I know, but anyway, so there's no little stand for me to put things in the shower at the gym. So look what I got. I got these things, and they have suction cups. And then I can put these in my gym bag. And when I get there and I'm gonna go take a shower, I just stick this to the wall of the shower and stick my stuff in here. So I like this. I really like this. This was $1.50, this was $1.50. So yeah, you can't go wrong. And you pack it like that, really nice and easy. It doesn't take up space. Okay, now back to the Christmas decorations. I got this. Look at how beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. And this was 99 cents. This is really pretty, right? And a matching heart, 99 cents with the pearls. Really pretty. 99 cents, and it all matches that little theme of like the rose gold that's in the box. And I got this beautiful little tree, and I need to put some batteries in it because it lights up. So I am going to put a picture somewhere of how I am going to change my fall decorations. I have a little centerpiece, and I'm going to change it. Let me show you the little centerpiece that I have, and I'm going to put a picture of how it looks when I change it out. So hold on for a second. I changed my top. I finished doing my little decoration. Now this is a Christmassy color. Now I'm going to show you the little decorations that I did. You know, this is nice, simple, easy. I didn't spend a lot of money, and I know there's very fancy decorating going on YouTube, but I don't have time for that. So let me show you what I did, okay? All right, so that's what I did. I put those Christmas balls in the plant right in there. And that is my decoration. It's very simple. I don't have a lot of decorating. I just changed those balls. I also put the Santa and snowman in here. Can you see them? Look at how pretty they look. They're all so cheerful. And I also put my little Christmas tree over there. So it's nice and simple. Didn't cost a lot of money. I know there's a lot of fancy stuff going around on YouTube, but I don't have time for all of that. So there, that's it. Now you have my little Santa here, okay? I feel a little more Christmassy. I have my Christmas clothes on now. It's the day after Thanksgiving, so I can do my little switcheroo very quickly. I may add a couple more things later on, but for now, that's it. Nice and easy, and it cost me a whole maybe $12 and 10 minutes. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Listen, subscribe, please, please subscribe. But more important than all that, I hope that you had a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.
Back to Lock 19 with Marta. Stay on. My God.